Hey guys, it's Crypto Llama here, and today I'm going to be going over some technical analysis regarding SPS, as we currently have a pattern forming which could give us an indication of future price movement. Before I do that though, if you're interested to see how the sausage is made, so to speak, with these type of technical analysis strategies, and you'd like to be able to confidently trade the crypto markets, or any markets for that matter, I'm running bi-weekly classes which will allow you to precisely do that by showing you the techniques and guidelines needed to pinpoint entries and exits in any market with the goal of income and growth. So I'll leave all the information for that in the video description below. If you have any further questions about these classes, you can jump into my community Discord and ask away as well. The pattern itself represents a gradual shift from bearish to bullish over a longer time frame. It has a strong bullish potential, but there are a few things we need to understand if we're to benefit from it or trade it correctly, as these type of patterns can give us further insight to the market psychology and the underlying order flow. So initially, the rounding bottom pattern starts off with excess amounts of supply, which forces a shift from bullish sentiment into downwards momentum, resulting in a decrease in price. This reduction in price is characterized by lower lows and lower highs that make up a U shape and over time indicate a positive market reversal. It's important to note though that much like the duration of the downtrend, which can take possibly months before becoming exhausted, the uptrend can similarly take an extended period of time too. The good news is that the pattern itself is deemed as quite rare amongst traders. However, with its rarity comes a high succession rate. The way that conservative traders would trade this pattern is by waiting for a breakout of the neckline, which we can see here. So we would open a position once price has increased 0.01 cents over the previous high. An alternative way to trade this pattern is off the retest. So generally, once the neckline is broken, we will see a test to see if support exists before heading higher. Thus, as we see here, price will come back down and make sure demand is present before increasing. So we could also enter a position here. And lastly, aggressive traders look to trade this pattern by searching for volume spikes around the bottom of the range. Generally at the start of the decline, we see increased volume, and then towards the bottom of this range, spread decreases as well as volume. Once volume starts expanding again, price will start to push higher. This signifies buying pressure and the trend switching from bearish to bullish, with the expectation of prices expanding higher. So now that we understand the pattern, how do we work out where price will go and what our targets will be? Well, we simply take the high that was established following the previous move upwards and the low of our move downwards and project this from our neckline. This will bring us to our take profit target. So let's go over and take a look at SPS now to see if we can identify this pattern. So we can confirm and identify this pattern here by looking for this U shape which presents itself in the market. Price has steadily declined over a period of time, and the spread of price has also decreased as we've dipped lower. So we should see some ranging happen now as price and volume contract, and then we should subsequently see an increase in price, which is usually characterized by higher volumes. So after we've identified the pattern, we'll put our neckline in using the horizontal line draw tool. So we put this at the market tops which we experienced before the decline in price. As an example, I'm going to complete the pattern to show out where the breakout would exist. So the rounding bottom would happen here when the price penetrates through the neckline in a bullish direction. Once we see the price cross the neckline, we should see strength in the form of price and volume expansion. We could also see a price test here before the following markup. So as mentioned previously, we could look for a long position once the stock is able to break through the neckline here. Alternatively, aggressive traders can look for longs as we see expansion in price and volume on breakout of the lower lows and lower highs towards the bottom of the trading range. If we're looking for our take profit targets on this pattern, the minimum target is equal to the size of the pattern when added to the breakout. This doesn't mean the price will stop there though. The price could continue going far higher. However, once price hits this target, you should look at either scaling out or exiting your position. And that's it for me now, guys. If you enjoyed my content, please like and subscribe, as that would mean the world to me. But other than that, I will see you on the blockchain.